Have you ever cooked a chicken that was so dry it was barely edible? Or served a turkey at Thanksgiving that was so parched your guests wanted to offer it a drink?
Well, that's why we created
the Turbo Trusser. The Turbo Trusser is a rapid trussing device used when cooking whole chickens and turkeys.
I give you an offer, you have to make a decision.
We got to be a winner.
Baby, this is fantastic. This inexpensive, really effective, fantastic cooking utensil. Every time you make a turkey, it's going to be absolutely perfect. What a great device. That's the best Shark Tank turkey I've ever had. I have one of my companies called Turbo Trusser. We sell a lot of trussers right now.
That song lets you know it is that
It's
time
right?
of the day. You know our next guest as one of the sharks on the hit ABC show Shark Tank. But what you might not know is that he also happens to know his way around the kitchen.
Yeah, that's right. And today he's going to show us how to make a winner chicken dinner. Please welcome Kevin O'Leary, a.k.a. Chef Wonderful.
Thank you so much.
You know, but check out this headgear. I love the headgear.
I'm honoring the chicken. I want to be one with the bird. We're actually going to be working with the chicken today. Chicken is one of the best protein values in America. If you buy the whole bird, most people say, oh, I'm just going to get the legs, I'm just going to get half. No, buy the whole bird. I'm going to show you how to cook it.
All right, what are we doing today?
First thing is we're going to the Mediterranean. The great ingredients in the Mediterranean, lemons, no question about it, garlic, and of course you want lemon juice. This is about half a lemon right here. Okay. I'm going to make a paste. We're going to put on the chicken. You're going to help me. Ready?
Okay, yes, sir.
We're going to grind a little garlic with a little lemon zest. This is seasoning here. Some people call it za'atar. Here's some pepper, and you just grind this up. And that's what they
grind it.
This is good for aggression.
And you crush it, and you end up with a paste.
You had a rough day,
You
or someone's
end up with a
ticked you
paste
off.
like that. It's hard to do.
Oh, it is hard.
But
You
this
have
is
to
the
really put
paste,
some
all right?
elbow in
When
it.
you're finished with it. Now, what you want to do with this
Gonna break
paste
that?
is, you know that song, I'm getting you under my skin? Well, you've got to get this under the skin of this chicken. Now, I don't use
under
gloves.
the
It's okay
skin.
for you to do it. Look, let me give you the first pinch.
Because that's where the
Pinch,
flavor gets in. The skin
Pinch and
sometimes blocks
push,
it.
pinch and push, and rub. Get in there.
would just
Pinch
think
Get
and
in
push
there.
and rub. It sounds like
Yeah.
an exercise
Oh,
class.
wow.
Pinch
Yes,
and push and
that's
rub.
it.
Gotta step
Pinch
the
and
chicken. Gotta
push,
step
pinch
the
and
chicken.
push.
Okay.
Perfect.
I like this.
Listen, you
And
can
then
do a
what
job
do we-
with me as an assistant
Hey,
chef.
I'll come work with you.
Okay,
Now,
what's
what do we
the
put on
next step?
outside?
So you do. You also want to rub it there because that's how you're going to get the crispy. You see that? Feel, be tactile with the bird. Tactile with the bird. Be one with the bird. I don't fear the bird. You've got the gloves on. Chefs don't mind that beautiful aroma. It's good for your skin. Olive oil is fantastic.
Yes,
now,
Dr. Jen loves olive oil.
We've got to actually
All right,
stuff
Eve, you
this.
come over here.
We're going to go next. You ready
Stuffing,
to push?
yep.
You're going to put in half a clove of garlic inside the bird's you-know-where.
The garlic or the onion?
Right there,
Oh,
right there.
And he goes.
Ooh la la. One
Ooh,
more.
One more. Okay,
And
he goes.
stick a couple of lemons right in there.
All
That's
right.
it. Lemon slices.
Shove them up.
All right.
That's too much,
perfect.
isn't
Now, here's the secret we're all going to learn today.
Okay.
The reason a bird dries out, particularly the white meat, is all the juices leak when it's cooking for an hour at 375. The way to stop that from happening used to be traditionally trussing it, that you take some twine and you wrap it around the legs and then you try and wrap the wings to keep it close to the body.
Yeah, you like scoop them all
However,
together.
what invariably happens is the legs stay trussed, but the wing, the string burns off and they open up and all the juice flows. That's why we saw this on Shark Tank last year, called the Turbo Trusser. This trusser actually gets the bird into a harness, which pushes it all into a big ball of chicken and cooks it absolutely perfect. If you have employees, you need to check out the ERC program, Chef Wonderful. Why, Mr. Wonderful? Because it's cash flow that you don't have to pay back. Good to know. This guy's so smart and so handsome. Go to wondertrust.com to see if you're eligible. See that?
Oh, wow. And then
Isn't
you don't
that
have
great?
to single-handedly try to
You
truss it
can't.
all
That's
up.
why the truss is so great, also for turkeys. And you hook it into the wing like this, and now you're getting basically the wing stuck right to the bird, all right?
Oh,
So like
wow.
here's handcuffs on the chicken.
Here's what it looks like. Here's what it looks like.
That's amazing.
Isn't that amazing?
That's like
it's
way easier,
one big
too.
unit. As I like to say, don't fuss it, just truss it. That's how you do it.
Don't fuss it,
All right,
just
the
truss
real
it.
And, you know,
test now,
and
though,
so
is...
many of these kitchen utensils over the years on Shark Tank never get used again. Not this one. It's in my kitchen. I use it for every bird I make, turkey and chicken.
Okay.
You go
Okay,
to
but the real-
turbotrusser.com or Amazon.
The real
now,
test is to taste it, you
Yes,
know.
let me do this because it's always the white meat. Let me cut a piece off the white meat. This is where you test if you're going to get that juiciness that you really, really want. You ready? Just that white meat by itself.
That lemon zest really
You can taste
adds to the flavor.
Here's
doing
how it
something
goes.
to
Ready
you.
to taste it?
Ooh, wee.
I already ate mine.
Oh, wow.
Oh!
It is so good. Also, full outfit shot. Can we please show his full outfit?
That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about.
Do
You
you always
never
dance
taste
in the
chicken like that.
kitchen?
Wow, this is fantastic, don't you think?
So this is a Mediterranean dish?
It is. All of these flavors, the olive oil, the lemon. Lemon is one of the great, great flavors of the Mediterranean. You can actually put it right on the bird.
And it's good
Oh,
for
that's
digestion.
ridiculous. That's ridiculous.
This is
good
pretty
for
good.
digestion.
Chef, wonderful. Thank you.
Isn't this the way to
Yes,
go?
thank you so much. And if you want to get this recipe, you can head to goodmorningamerica.com/food, or you can scan that QR code that's right there on your screen right now.
Don't fuss it, just trust it.
Just trust it.